Natry mo na ba yung corn dogs and crunchy chicken pops ng Potato Corner? Na-curious kami sa lasa ng yung corn dogs ng Potato Corner so nag-order kami ng different flavors nila. We bought their solo, mega mix, and jumbo mix na iba-ibang flavors. Cheese, sour cream, and barbecue. Ang ganda ng batter nila kasi the coating is sakto lang, di makapal, di rin manipis. Nag-enjoy kami kasi di puro coating so every bite may hotdog na kasama. Di rin mushy and ang ganda ng pagka-crisp. Ang galing nga ng pagkaluto kasi di rin oily. Favorite flavor namin is yung barbecue, pero masarap rin naman yung sour cream and cheese. Sana lang di masyado maraming powder para di overwhelming. Next, yung crunchy chicken pops nila. We ordered the solo and mega mix na may kasamang fries. Sobrang lambot ng chicken, akala namin noong una ground chicken siya. But as you can see, chicken slices talaga siya. Solid every bite. We got them in two flavors, cheese and sour cream. Masarap pareho. Tsaka bagay dito yung maraming flavor powder. Medyo mahal lang siya for the serving size, like yung solo 95 na. Mas sulit yung mega mix na may fries. In terms of flavor and labot ng chicken, bet na bet namin. Kung naghanap ka ng merienda, try nyo na itong Potato Corner Corn Dog and Crunchy Chicken Pops. Let us know what you think.